Here's how to fix phone call dial or keyboard change problem when your dial pad keypad doesn't appear, freezes, or changes layout unexpectedly. Okay, let's fix phone call dial or keyboard change problem. See the problem and follow next. Go to phone settings, then find apps to looking for phone. Now clear cache. Now update this app. After update phone app, reboot your phone and see your problem solved successfully.